Okay guys, so welcome back, and let's do this video on how to open a car without drilling. This, like I mentioned on my last video, this is going to be my subject for today. So let's cut this baby open. Put that to the side. Here it is. Doesn't want to focus today. Let me see. There you go. Okay, so it does have rubber wheels, tires. Ford Explorer, pretty nice. So let's inspect here. Alright guys, we're back. What you need for this job is a soldering iron. They come in many shapes and branding. I have this one, which is a Craftsman, but this one is only, get it to focus, 45 watts. And this usually does not have enough power to heat up the rivet, because that's what we need to do. We need to heat up the rivet. So we just pull the base off it. This does not have enough power to do that job. Maybe a cheap car with a real thin base. What I'm gonna use today is this big one, which is 100 watts. I have a custom tip here. They usually come like this, which is way too big for what we need. So I took one of these clips, remove this metal part, just created that tip for what we need. And what you also need is a comfortable working spot, like this. Let me add this, and somewhere where you can set the car and start working. What I do is I come in here and press, and as you can see, I got, you can't see it on camera, but I got smoke coming out. That means getting a better result. So let's see if I can do this. And there you go. The rivet is still intact. And what you want to do now is, if you plan to use this car again, you come in here with an X-Acto knife and just clean all of this like this. Pretty clean. Check the rivet. It doesn't have any plastic. So let's say you want to do a wheel swap. So you did the wheel swap, and let's try to fit it back. There. It looks like it's never been opened before. And see, if you want to open it again, you don't have to heat it up again. All you have to do is find a spot somewhere in here. I'm gonna damage the wheel, but there you go. So you see, it's not easy to open it back up. So that's how you open a diecast without damaging the rivet. So let's say you have a metal chassis car that you want to have the same effect. But what you want to do is take this car right here. I don't think I'm gonna do a custom with it, so because I just don't like it. But I have the rivet, so I already opened this one, which is the Nissan from the Red Line series. It has 2 rivets that I had to drill out. So what you want to do, you want to cut this rivet out using your Dremel somewhere around here, right? Okay, I'm back. I have a spare rivet which I have already cleaned out. Well, not really, but here it is. What you want to do is remove that paint, and once you cut it out, you have to grind it and make it real skinny so it will fit from this side, from the bottom up. Let me clean it up. Okay, so I'm back. So yeah, like I clean out the rivet. I didn't remove the paint yet, but just made it skinny so it will fit from this side. See? Now all you have to do is measure the length that you need from the car. So this is the car. You see, it's the front. So you're gonna have to cut somewhere around here. Make sure you do the measurement, and when you put the car back together, use 2-part epoxy. Test fit it before you actually mix the glue, the 2-part epoxy, and the end result will be a sealed up car which looks original. In this case, usually the front rivet has some paint, not all the time. You see, this is a Volkswagen. It has a little green paint on the back, but this rivet came all messed up from factory. I didn't do that. It was like that. Let me see if I find an original car here. Here's a Matchbox, but as you can see, the front rivet is usually the one that has some paint. So if you want to go the extra mile, before you put it together, take the rivet. If this is going to be the front, clean that old paint out and dab a little black paint in there, since the car is black. Once you put it back together, it looked like came like that from the factory. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Let me see if I can get a good angle here for the thumbnail. Let's see. Yeah, I think that will do it right there. Let me take a picture. There you go. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you want, you have an idea that you want me to make a video, just let me know. Write it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.